Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Delta Force Performance Air Intake air filter. Now after about 30,000 miles of normal driving, your filter is going to end up looking like this. We want to get it restored back to new, just like this one. So we're going to go ahead and use the filter tune-up kit. Now in the Delta Force air filter tune-up kit here, inside the box, we're going to have a bottle of cleaner, and then also we're going to have a bottle of oil to go ahead and re-oil that air filter. Now the first step to getting your air filter tuned up, you want to go ahead and get yourself a soft brush, kind of like this one here. And go ahead and put your filter kind of up in the air, and you want to go ahead and brush your filter. And then what this is going to do is knock any of the big particles out of the filter, and it'll just drop on the floor. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and put the cleaner on. Now the cleaner, want to go ahead and start with one side and make sure you soak all the fins. And once you go around the first time, go ahead and take your filter. You're going to turn it the opposite direction and go ahead and go around another time. And basically what this is going to do is allow cleaner to get in on one side of the fin and then cleaner to get in on the other side of the fin. Okay, now it's nice and soaked. We're going to go ahead and let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse it off after that. Now we got our solution already soaking into our filter for about 10 minutes. Now we're ready to go ahead and wash it out. We got our bucket here to catch our oil. We're going to wash it from the inside out, so that all the stuff basically falls straight down into the bucket. You want to use it with cold water. And then once you get done rinsing it out, you want to go ahead and let it air dry. You do not want to use compressed air. Compressed air will actually damage the filter. All right, the last step of cleaning your air filter after we let it naturally dry, we're going to go ahead and re-oil it. We're going to put oil on the top crowns of each pleat, and we're going to let this soak in for about 20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and go back and touch up any light spots. Now make sure you don't over oil it to where it leaks out of the filter. Okay, now we got it all oiled. We're gonna go ahead and let it sit for about 20 minutes, let it soak in, and we'll come back and touch it up. All right, we let our air filter sit for about 20 minutes. You can see the oil soaked into the air filter. Now if there's any light spots, go ahead and touch it up with some more oil. I hope you enjoyed this little how-to video on how to properly clean the air filters on your Delta Force Performance intakes. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.